Hi, and welcome to Software Design and Development, Testing, Lesson 3, Program Testing. Program testing is completed after the module testing has been completed. So we've checked all the modules are working correctly. Now we stick them together, called integration, and we check them as a whole. This process of checking how they work together is called integration testing. And it needs to be managed carefully. We can't just stick all the modules together at once and expect it to work. And if we do, then we can't determine easily which module is responsible for errors. So for this reason, we do integration one module at a time. Top-down testing begins with the driver module, with stubs inserted in place of modules that need to be called. Once we've determined that one to be working, we look at the next level down and we put stubs in place for the modules that they call and check that they're working correctly. And this goes on down the line until we've added all the modules and they all work. Bottom-up testing does the opposite. So we start with the lowest level modules first, and then we call the higher ones until the driver module is added. We can choose either of these methods. One might be more suitable than the other depending on the program that we're testing. Function testing. Once the program is fully integrated, we need to make sure it does the job it was designed for. So in previous design stages, we looked at the design specs and we determined which data would need to be generated to ensure that it meets the specifications set down by the client. And we use that test data now when we run these tests. Users are also involved at this stage because they use the current system that's in place now. They're the best people to determine if the system that is being developed will do the job it needs to do. And the focus of this stage is on input and output, files and access, and the user interface.